Alex. Not the best video today. Do you want to know where I'm going? I'm going in the P4, but these bags down here I'm taking to the laundrette because my washing machine's packed up. Bugger. It's raining, but what better motor vehicle to travel in the weather? And to be fair, Jessie looks 100 times better when she's wet. It's fine by me. I've got my little tin in here. It's got all my pound coins and 20p's because apparently that's what the machine takes. Right then, get down this poxy laundrette. What do you think, Jessie? There she is. Oh, I got to try out my new wiper blades. Not bad, not bad. Oh, my washer jets are a little bit out of alignment. It's not clearing that screen very well. It can't be the rubber, it must be the arm. It must be the arm's not strong enough to push it on the screen. Oh well. Oh! They won't even park off the screen. Oh, Jessie. Showing off on camera, isn't she? Oh well. At least they're doing something. Right, let's go and find this laundrette. People think I'm mad driving around in this car. Well, I am mad. Everybody dawdling along. Sunday, innit? Sunday drivers. Went into first too soon. Joys of no synchro. and it looks empty. Oh, what more could you want? Let's case the joint out before we bring all the washing in. Hey! Brilliant. I mean, the cost of a new machine is quite a lot of money, and I don't have quite a lot of money because I've got classic cars. Hello, Arlo. Ooh. So, I'm hoping I can fix this machine. And I've had a look at it just externally and tried a few things. Ow, Arlo! Oh, he's digging his claws in. And the problem seems to be the waste pump. I can't hear it, and none of the water's draining away. A new pump for this is about 30 quid. So if I can get in there and find the pump, and just see if it looks seized or what. I don't really know what I'm looking at. I've never looked inside a washing machine in my life. So I thought I'd share the experience with you. Are you going to help me? Going to help me? If they're not, they're just going to stand there and watch, aren't you? Typical. The bit I don't like doing, and I struggle with, is getting the machine out of here. It is heavy. If I'm not careful, I'll damage the floor. I don't want to do that. Get it out. Oh God. Now, my friend Tony has warned me that I must unplug it from the mains if I'm taking it apart, because I might get an electric shock. Right, the machine's unplugged, Tony, if you're watching. I'm not going to electrocute myself. So I did have a quick look on YouTube on this model, and it looks relatively easy to take apart. The top's got to come off first, and then the front. And most of it can be done with a Phillips screwdriver, apparently. I don't think I need to take any of the plumbing out of the back. So I've turned the water off just in case. I think he said that was it. Look at that. Easy. This is all very foreign in here. Wow. Well, I don't really know what I'm looking at here. This drawer's got to come out. Two screws here. You'd think that I'd done this before, wouldn't you? And I can tell you, I definitely have not touched a washing machine before. Some little clips in here. Here they come. There might be another screw there. not sure. Right. Ooh! Sounded like something breaking. Oh dear. Oh, there's a clip. I found it. Ha! There's a clip. Oh my goodness. Underneath. I see. That's what was stopping it. So that can rest up out the way, apparently. Don't want to damage anything. Looks okay. Now, whew, scary. Let's get my screwdriver again. And this pipe here has got to come out. There's a screw in here. Oops. And this pops off. Apparently. Oh dear. I don't want to break it. Whoa. Come on. The washing machine actually looks damaged on this corner. It must have got damaged in the move. The metal part is damaged. I've got that screwdriver here somewhere. Where are you? There you are. There he is. Woo. Wasted space here. Interesting. Well, we didn't want that bit anyway. Right. Now, there's some screws here. This is all to get to the epoxy pump. And that one comes undone easily. Oh, this one is being so stubborn. Come on, screw. Screw you. I got it. Oh, there we go. Oh. Nasty corroded screw, that one. Apparently this rubber has got to come off. Oh, the washing machine stinks now. And to do that, there's a little bar, a wire in here, and that has to come out. I don't know how. Oh! Come on. I don't want to damage the rubber, otherwise I'll have a leaky machine. Now here's the spring. I see. Here she comes. This might ping dramatically. Hope not. There's the retaining band. And then this rubber has to come off like that. Yeah. And then this panel, oh, not with the flatted. This panel here should come off with these couple of screws taken out. door doesn't have to come off with it. Yes! Nearly. Yeah, there's a slidey thing. Yes! Yes! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's why it wasn't coming undone. I've missed out a screw. There's another one. Oh, it's going to fall off and hit me in the shins. Hang on. Oh my God. That's it. That's it. There we are. Whew. Now this is the door lock mechanism. I don't really want to mess with it. I don't know how the plug comes under. They are. That's not doing it any harm. That is the pump. That's the pump that's not working anymore. I wonder why. Looks like I'm going to need some pliers for some hose clips in there. That's the wiring. Goes to it. And then 3 screws. So let's do these 3 screws. I'm guessing that that will come out of here somehow. Oof. Okay, I'm just going to get some pliers. I think I've got some in the house. Right. So pliers on this clip. Oh dear. A bit awkward in here, isn't it? Okay. That's the waste pipe. That one. Oops. Making a bit of mess in here. And we got this one here. To get this fella off. Did you see that? That is grim. That was grim. Oh, there's stinky brown water coming out. Ew. Oh, that is gross. If I could... Thank God that you cannot smell that, because that is disgusting. That is rancid. Ugh. I got some kitchen towel. Gross. How do we unplug these? Are they just spade connectors? Yep. The spade connectors. Okay. So black is neutral. What I would do is either make note of that or take a picture with your phone, because you might forget. That's if you ever do this again. I wouldn't recommend it. Oh my God. Oh, the smell. Oh. Right. I'll pause here while I mop up. Okay, my friends. Ugh. It's still making disgusting mess. like to have a look at this pump to see if I can find the impeller. Ugh. Even though it stinks, I'm going to have a look, because if there's something jammed in there and it's stopping the propeller from turning, then that will be the problem, and I might not have to buy a new pump. I mean, it's been making a horrible noise for ages, so it's either got something jammed in there or it is just knackered. And the fact that on the last wash, well, half a wash, it didn't drain, didn't work at all, tells me it's knackered. It didn't even make a noise, didn't even try. It was just flashing up OE on the display, and it was not draining the water away. Ugh. Well, here's the impeller or propeller or whatever the hell you want to call it. I mean, it's moving, so it's not as if it's seized up or jammed. You know, there's nothing in here causing it to jam. Just filth. Stenchy filth. So I just think that this is knackered. It feels unwell. And now I've spun it a few times by hand, it might jump into action, but the thought of putting this whole washing machine back together just to find out that what I've done is nothing, it's not worth it. For the sake of 30 quid, I think I'm just going to order a new pump. Gross. I think I need a shower now. Oof. Well, I'll switch the camera back on when I have a new pump. Thanks for watching. Bye.